Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I edit my videos. So first thing is recording your video. So if you have a video, this is what I do. If you have a video that you know by heart, you know exactly what you're going to say, just record the video. You can record it on your computer, you can record it on your phone, whatever works for you. If you're recording a video where you have to remember a lot of scientific-y stuff, I use a software called BigView. I have done tutorials on and BigView is a teleprompter. Again, you can use that teleprompter on your phone or on your computer to remember all of that stuff. You can even write an entire presentation. You can use BigView to record it. I do have the pro version of BigView, but when I first started using it, I had the free version. Okay, so that's first thing is recording your video, getting it the way you want it. You can use a number of different options for that, right? Whether you're using a teleprompter or not, use your computer, use your phone. The next thing I do is I bring the video into an editing software so I can edit the video. Now, there are many different editing softwares. There are many different tools. If you have a Mac, you can use iMovie. If maybe you have, there's thousands of different editing. What I use is Canva. I use Canva because I like to have all of my content in one place so I can go back and reuse the content. And since I'm in Canva so much, that just makes sense for me. And Canva actually has a very slick editing software when it comes to editing videos. So I'm going to show you what I did. We are going to share my screen. So I recorded a detox and restore video. All right, here's the video. I recorded it and I made some changes to it. And one of the first changes that I make to any video that I record is I speed it up. I speed it up on the playback, and you can do that just because I sometimes talk slow and the way it sounds when I'm listening back is a little bit slower than I'd like it in an actual like content video that I would share. So in Canva, I just click playback, and I usually do it at 1.17. So you could do it 2 times the speed, but I wouldn't. I would play around with this if you do use it. Now, another thing that I use is overlays. There is a tutorial in this group for how to use and create overlays on your video. I've already done the overlays on this video. You'll see here's an overlay. And then there's a couple more. There's an overlay of some mushrooms. So here's how to add an overlay. I'm just going to give you the quick breakdown, but there's lots of tutorials on overlays. There's even a YouTube video posted in this group that's actually called Overlays that will show you how to do this in Canva. So I'm just going to hit split page, and I'm just going to grab any amount of time here. So I'm going to split it again. So this is a 5.9-second clip. All right. Now I don't want to stop myself from talking. I want to keep talking through, but maybe let's say I'm talking about mushrooms, right? The mushrooms in this detox and restore night cream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to elements, and I'm going to type in mushroom. And actually I'll type in chaga mushrooms because it does chaga mushrooms. All right, so here's, and this might not be chaga mushrooms, but I would normally research this before selecting the video. I would make sure it really is a chaga mushroom. But we're just going to take this video. Now this video is 30 seconds long. My clip is only 5.9 seconds. I'm pointing that out because this is important. So I'm going to make sure my bar here is on the clip. I'm going to add the mushroom video. And now I'm going to click the trim because I want to trim this video, and I want to trim this video down to 5.9 seconds. If you don't do that, the clip will play longer than the actual video of the mushrooms will play longer than the video of me talking. And then it will, where I'm talking will then start looping. We don't want that. We want it to be exactly the same amount of time. And then I don't click like replace page. I just stretch it out. You just stretch it out. So I'm not replacing myself. I'm just covering it up. Now here's what happens. And then you can reposition it, do whatever you want. So what happens now is this.
Sleep. Now you can use this as part of your existing skincare routine. You can use it part of the Norwex skincare routine, or if you like.
Okay, so you saw how it did that. So now I don't want to keep this in there forever, so I'm just going to move it out. So that wasn't what I wanted to do. Okay, I'm just going to move that. All right, so Once you get it the way you like it, you speed it up, you add your overlays, you maybe cut out any parts where you made a mistake. Then you're going to download it to your computer by clicking share and then download an MP4. Now, a lot of you ask, how do you add captions to your videos? So I have CapCut. So I'm going to import the video that I just created, edited in Canva. So let me find that video. All right, here it is. So I'm going to import it. And so now the video is in CapCut. CapCut does a lot of things. I haven't even tipped the surface on all the things that CapCut does. It is awesome. So I'm going to grab the video. I'm going to bring it down to the timeline here, and I'm going to expand it out just a little bit wider. Okay, now I want to add captions to this video. So I'm going to, up at the top, click text, add auto captions. And I have a couple boxes selected. Auto highlight keywords, identify filler words. These are both pro features. So if you're just using CapCut free, you won't be able to do this. And then I click generate. It's generating the captions for me. And now it doesn't take long. And then I'm going to, we'll give this, so it's at 73%. We'll give this one more second. We're almost done. All right. It's identifying some filler words. It won't do captions of filler words, which is awesome, which is great if you say or something like that. All right, so we're about done here. Give this one more second. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here to text because I have my captions are in there.
Hi there.
There it
I'd like
is.
to share.
But I don't want it to be plain, right? It doesn't really stick out. So I'm going to over on the right, I'm going to click text and then templates. And CapCut has a lot of awesome templates you can use to add your, I really like this one. I like that one a lot. And you can see what it looks like.
Snippet of my nighttime skincare routine. This is the detox and restore.
Okay. So you can use, or you can click any of these other ones. Like maybe you want to see how that looks. That looks
hydrating night cream. This works wonders while we sleep. Now you can use this as part of your existing skincare routine.
So
you can use it part of the Norwex skincare routine, or if you like things to be simple, you can use this by itself. Now, if you want me to share my complete nighttime skincare routine, which is more like a ritual.
Okay. So now that I have selected the format of the captions, I want to go through and make sure that all the words are spelled correctly. So you can take your space bar at the bottom, and there's only one word. So whorehound, let's see is that how to spell whorehound? Hey Siri, how do you spell whorehound?
Whorehound. H-O-R-E.
Okay. So it's spelled it, and I noticed this when I did this before. So this is spelled incorrectly, right? So it's just H-O-R. It's missing an E. So I'm going to click the basic button, and I'm just going to make that change right here. I'm going to add an E, and now it's corrected it.
So whorehound is a very powerful herb. It has a rich history in skincare, and it's really one of the star ingredients
that everything is spelled correctly. Once you get it the way you like it, then you're going to export it by clicking export. And when you do export it, you want to change the name because it's going to default to the number of downloads you've had. So I'm going to put final detox and restore. I'm going to download it in 1080p, 30 FPS. That's going to work well if you want to post it to YouTube, to Instagram, to Facebook parties, etc. And then you're going to click export, and then you're good. So in this video, I have 4 pro features that I use. I use the advanced like AI for captions. I use that special that special template. There are free templates, but I think pro, I don't really know what I pay on this, but it's not much, like a few bucks a month. Totally worth it. You can also use it on your phone, which is fantastic. So I'm going to share this video in the group. This is going to show you exactly how I created this video. And I hope in some way this was helpful, and I'll see y'all real soon. Bye for now.